Everyone's using ChatGPT, but have you tried its deep search mode for SEO? Can it actually do the job, or is it just another overhyped feature? We put it to the task on real-world SEO tasks like competitor analysis, backlink tracking, and content research. Spoiler alert, it flagged backlinks on pages that didn't even exist, but it also uncovered link building opportunities that we missed completely. So can you actually trust it with SEO? We'll look at what worked, what didn't, and how to use deep research with your current tools to get faster, smarter results. Let's dive in. Let's start with the classic, comparing your SEO performance against your top competitors. Normally, you'd juggle multiple tools, expert reports, and piece the data together yourself. With deep research, you can do it all in one prompt. Just ask ChatGPT to compare competitor domains, ideally 2 or 3 at a time, across key metrics like organic traffic and rankings, top keywords, best performing content, total backlinks, and referring domains, plus anything else you'd like to include, but be as clear and as specific as possible. As a rule of thumb, the more detailed your request is, the better the results. Deep research will then put live data from the web and deliver a comprehensive comparison. For example, it might reveal that one competitor is earning backlinks from sites in your niche that you haven't reached out to yet, or that another competitor is getting tons of traffic from long-tail keywords you haven't even touched. Now, a quick heads up, data accuracy is still a limitation for deep research. So always cross-check the insights using your go-to SEO tools. For example, SEO Rankings Competitor Research Tool gives you reliable data on organic traffic, top ranking keywords, paid activities, backlinks, and everything else you need to properly compare competitors. Next, let's talk about topical research, but not just trend chasing. We mean deep strategic exploration. Instead of skimming dozens of blog posts and industry reports, use deep research to consolidate insights for yourself. In your prompt, ask for insights from recent industry analysis, expert commentary, authoritative studies, and credible forecasts. It will put together findings from industry blogs, interviews, company websites, and news stories, giving you a multi-angle view in minutes. You'll spot patterns, discover real-world strategies, and surface unique angles to create more authoritative, more valuable content. Here's where things get interesting. Combining internal linking with backlinks analysis. Many digital marketers look at them separately, but if you analyze them together, you'll find valuable opportunities you'd normally miss. Here's how you can do that. Export your internal link and backlink data. By the way, SEO ranking is great for this. Then just upload both files into deep research with a focused prompt. For example, ask it to find pages with the strongest and weakest internal linking structure, or highlight pages with high internal links but low external links, and vice versa. You can also ask it to suggest pages for improved internal linking, link building, outreach, and content optimization. Within minutes, you'll get a tailored list of pages to target for internal linking, backlink outreach, and both. Here's a pro tip. Keep your file sizes manageable. We found that 100 rows per file works best. Too much data at once can slow down deep research or cause it to get a bit messy. Next, backlink status monitoring. If you want to quickly confirm which backlinks are still pointing to your site, deep research can do that for you. Start by creating a CSV file with a list of your backlinks. Include the URL of each referring domain and add a blank status column. Then, ask deep research to check if each link still exists and update the file with either exists or doesn't exist. This approach saves hours compared to manually checking links one by one. This is especially useful after big link building campaigns or when you've started working with a new client. Just be aware that it's not perfect. So for high-value links, especially your top 50, double-check manually, or use SEO Rankings backlink monitoring tool to confirm. With the help of this tool, you'll be able to see the total number of active backlinks, track new and lost ones over time, compare the number of links pointing to your homepage and other pages on the website, check the do follow and no follow ratio, and much, much more. Finally, ChatGPT's deep research is also super helpful for day-to-day SEO tasks. For keyword research, ask it to surface trending keywords in your niche, along with the estimated search volumes and difficulty. For instance, prompt it with, "What are the top fintech search queries in the US this month?" It will pull from the news, Google Trends, and SEO blogs as a result. Of course, not every suggestion will be a winner. To confirm interest, run your keywords through SEO Rankings keyword research tool. It will show you reliable data on any keywords, search volume, difficulty, user intent, traffic forecast, and much more. That way, you're focusing your time where it actually counts. On the technical side, you can upload a file containing data from your audit tools, leaving the verdict column empty. Then, simply ask Deep Research to populate that column based on the collected insights. The bottom line is that AI agent will come back with a list of recommendations for each page. It basically turns a complex audit output into a simple checklist of actions. In each case, you're skipping the boring part and jumping straight into problem solving. Deep Research handles the heavy research lifting, and you simply focus on the strategy and execution. So what's your take on the tool? Try using Deep Research to speed up your SEO tasks, but don't forget to double-check the insights with trusted tools like SEO Ranking. Start your free trial today. The link's in the description, just like our full article with more actionable insights on how to use Deep Research for SEO. If you found this video helpful, hit the button and subscribe for more SEO insights. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.